Hello dear ladies, my name is Anastasia, I'm Russian, I like headscarves very much, and today I want to share with you two my favorite designs with which I started to wear my headscarf. And these two designs is very good for those who have short hair and who are dreaming about long hair, because these two designs make illusion that you have long hair. For this style you need a headscarf like this. It's equal sides. Also I will use pins like this. And for one of them I will use pins like this, big pins. For both style you need to make this. Sorry for my English, I'm not talk very good, but I hope you will understand everything. I put it headscarf in the center.
Wonder why I am even talking to you when nothing is to become. It's trouble and then some.
If you are afraid of pins, you can watch my special video about pins. So this style is very simple and it's very actual for different styles. Make this, this and this.
When your blood boils like it's on fire, then you know that it's do or die.
Also you can start here to make it more tight, or to make freestyle.
So we go running straight into the waves.
Also you can pin here, like this, different ways, as you like. And for the second, the first step is the same. You can have pin here, on the hair, and then you take it all, little bit twist, not tightly. Then you can use this. You pin this like you pin hair. Understand? If you need, you can make more pins. If you feel it's not safe, I will pin one more. Is it beautiful? I don't see it, but I hope it's good. This style will be good also for every style, and it's simple and elegant. I wish you enjoyed, and I'm waiting for your comments. Please follow me and welcome to my channel for other videos, and see you, bye bye!